All right, gang, we are in the Teggy, and I'm about to head to my first race day. It's just a go fast event over here at Wild Horse Pass Motorsports Park in Arizona. Yeah, it's pretty much kind of like an amateur night, what they do with the Friday night drags. I drove the Teggy to work all week last week, no issues. I probably should have gotten an alignment before going and doing this, but screw it, I guess we'll see how it goes. A little bit about the build so far. Stock numbers, when I took it to the tuner to get dynoed, I put down 135 wheel horsepower. This is a bone stock LS motor. It does have some stronger pistons and ARP head studs, but I mean, that stuff doesn't really come into play until I boost it. The only mods on this car that might make me quicker tonight are going to be short shifter, lightweight flywheel. Honestly, have some really cheap ass tires. I don't even know the name of them. Got them at the good old Llantera down the street. Yeah, we'll see. I'm not expecting anything. If I can make it into the 15s, I'll be happy. I hear that stock, you know, LS's, RS, whatever, stock D18 B1s will usually run about between a 15 and 16 second quarter mile. So I didn't do any weight reduction. I still have my full sound system in here with the 12-inch subwoofer in the trunk, full interior. I'll catch up with you guys when we're back at the track. Let's go. All right, guys, let's go. Number 172. Let's see how fast we can get it. All right, guys, this is actually my second pass. First one, I ran a 17.1 at 81 miles an hour. No issues. I mean, can't be mad at that.
17.10 at 81.
All right, guys, this is probably gonna be one of the last runs of the night. See if I can get into the 16 seconds. I've been at 17.1, 17.3 with a slow reaction time. Didn't get off the line as quick as I wanted, but felt a little bit better. Third gear definitely slows down. This LS transmission has some long ass gears. I'm hitting trap speed at the top of third gear, which is kind of wild. Thank you. Woo, baby, we hit 16.9 at 82 flat. got into the 16s. That was the goal, baby. Fuck yeah. And I had a slower reaction time than my last one. All right, boys, this run we're facing the camera towards me. We're gonna see my goofy ass face, I guess, while I'm shifting, and this is gonna be our last run. I'm gonna see if I can get better than a 16.9 at 82 miles an hour. That's the goal. My tires suck, and I am spinning off the line when I launch at 3,500 RPM, so I'm gonna try and just ease off the line at about 2 grand, and we'll see what happens. Second felt good. I really only hit 3 gears in this car because it's an LS trans, but let's see what we did. I don't think it was any faster than a 16.95, but let's see. Thank you. Oh, 16.952. I was literally 3 thousandths of a millisecond faster that time. And I got a little bit past 82 miles an hour. That time I got to 82.19. Slowest reaction time of the day though. So that's kind of a bummer. If I had a faster reaction time, I probably could have got into the 16.8, but this is the first time I've taken this car to the track and honestly done any sort of like beating the crap out of it. So, I mean, I'm just kind of hyped. I've been able to do like 7 hot laps, and I'm gonna drive the car home. I mean, I'm on shitty Integra tires that have been used and have definitely seen better days. There's definitely lots of room for improvement, so I think this was a successful first day at the drag strip. For now, I'm gonna just try to pull up over here out the way